I had already been inducted into the Shin about 2 years ago, and you have to be invited to join with your background and everything. So I went to Orlando to the dinner, the induction dinner, and it was held at La Covan, which is a French restaurant there. The chef there is the captain of the Culinary Olympic team, the U.S. Olympic team, really sharp guy, Raymond Pitts. Well, he was doing the dinner and conducting the meeting, and at the very end, Chef Pitts got up there and he said, "Now we have a special award." And I'm sitting there, I didn't know what was going on. And he says, "We want to present this Lifetime Achievement Award." And I said, "Wow, that sounds neat." To Costa Magoulas, I almost fell out of the chair. I went, "Oh my goodness." And he had judged me in many culinary competitions because he's an Olympic culinary judge. And when I competed in those culinary competitions, I did vegetarian. People didn't do vegetarian back then. And he remembered that. And he says, "You were very innovative in doing that." He says, "It always struck me as odd. Everybody else was doing meats and things, you did vegetarian." I said, "Yeah." I said, "It was kind of tough. I did quinoa and the judges didn't know what quinoa was, but he did." But anyway, he brought that up. He says, because of that and because of my work with students here at the college, they wanted to give me this Lifetime Achievement Award, and it's called the Bronze Star. And I was really quite taken by that, especially for the fact that he recognized my work here at the college and the different things in cooking that you don't think people would notice. And that's where this all came about. So it was wonderful. But you really need to start thinking about the idea that you're here to help people make something with their lives. Well, that's pretty special. I mean, think about that. You can take a student, any student, and you can touch their lives in a way that they can make a better life for themselves. Wow, it doesn't get any better than that, okay? And that's what we do. So we get students in here, we take them, we try to help them with anything that they need, and we create something in them that they can create a profession for themselves to make a living. Now they're touching other people's lives. I mean, come on, not everybody can say they do that. I think we're on the verge of the golden age of hospitality. I truly believe that. The opportunities in hospitality, because that's what I know, are unbelievable. But here's the thing about hospitality, gotta like people, okay? And when everybody's on holiday, you're the one working, okay? So when it's a holiday, you go, "I'm gonna have to work." But the benefits are great because the opportunities are so strong. So it's always a good profession to really advance.